This is not all fixes, but this is the one that most people use to get the water out, and this is the proper way of installing it. Hey everyone, Kevin Jardet back again on my personal house. So what we got is we got the plastic up like I told you last time. What we did is we put some two-sided tape, butylene tape on this. So this is all sealed, so no moisture or anything can come out. So we did this. We're getting ready to get, my guys are outside mixing concrete as we speak. Now over here, guys, I want to show you the sump pump. So we put a sump pump in. You got to have a backflow valve so the water that comes up here doesn't come back into the sump pump, which makes it keep running all the time. I see that all the time where people will put it in themselves and they'll won't have this, and that water goes up here, comes back down every single time. So always cutting on and off. Also, we tie wrap the wire to the pipe itself, and went outside. We put in a pop-up on here. Now you see it here, and all the plastic is up. We got the plastic up all the way around. Come up this way. Okay, and like I said, the guys are going to we're going to start pouring concrete. There's my dog. We're going to start pouring concrete in here, and we'll get back with you with the finished product here shortly. Thanks. I'm my camera person, so I'm doing this by myself. So at the end of the project here, I'm on a personal house. We got the plastic installed, and now we've got the concrete installed as well. Didn't take too long with the machinery I have. So I still have to finish it all smooth, but we just finished laying it. This is where the old sump pump was originally. We'll come through here all the way around. Again, I've got to finish smoothing it out. I can start putting my walls back. So super excited to get this project done. I'm very excited. I don't have to come in here with a mop and bucket and keep on fixing that. I hope this video was very informational for everyone. I know it's a little long, but it's from start to finish. It is how we do our waterproof installation when it's got water in the block. If this was helpful to you guys, if you please like and share, I appreciate it. Again, my name is Kevin Jardet with InstaDry. I am the owner. We would love to help you guys to fix your waterproofing problems as well. Remember this is not all fixes, but this is the one that most people use to get the water out, and this is the proper way of installing it. So if it's helpful, please like and share. Thanks.
Your home is your greatest investment, and you work hard to protect it and maintain it. Don't let problems in your foundation diminish your home's value or threaten the health of your family. InstaDry of Knoxville offers mold remediation and removal, crawl space encapsulation, basement waterproofing, and foundation repair. Give owner Kevin Jardet a call today, see how it rhymes, and he'll come and evaluate any mold, moisture, or foundation problems you have. InstaDry, keeping your basement moisture-free and your foundation strong for life.
If he might charge you for an inspection, don't go with them. That means they're high. All right, so if that was helpful for you, let us know. Thanks.